Enjoying the content? Please like and subscribe to join our journey around the globe. This content is AI generated. Alluvial fans. When rivers flow down steep terrain and then flatten out suddenly, they often deposit sediment in a fan-shaped pattern known as an alluvial fan. Braided rivers. Some rivers form multiple interconnected channels separated by small, often temporary islands. These are called braided rivers and are common in areas with high sediment loads and variable water flows. Turbidity. The clarity of river water is referred to as its turbidity. Rivers with high levels of sediment or pollutants have higher turbidity, which can affect aquatic life by reducing sunlight penetration. Perennial versus intermittent rivers. Some rivers flow year-round, perennial rivers, while others flow only during specific seasons, typically when there's enough rainfall, intermittent rivers. Underground rivers. Some rivers flow beneath the Earth's surface, especially in regions with limestone geology, forming underground rivers in cave systems. The Puerto Princesa Underground River in the Philippines is one such example.